I'm off to Mt Clarence. It's home of the National Anzacs Centre and to the Field of Light, Avenue of Honour. Tens of thousands of diggers left from the port of Albany, and Mt Clarence would have been the last glimpse of Australia they would have seen. And as the sun goes down, the beauty of this artwork is revealed.
It was commissioned by WA Cultural Organisation Form. This is a one-off installation, so it's a must-see for anybody that is in Albany.
Fibre optics carry light to the spheres, illuminating them in the night.
There's 16,000, that's right, and they do change colour, so the colours represent the native plants of Australia and New Zealand.
The man behind the vision is international artist Bruce Munro.
He's a UK artist. He's done 2 installations in Australia, the Uluru one, of course, that we're all familiar with, and this one as well. So this one pays special homage to the Anzacs. It's been a century since the World War I.
He was helped by a small army of local volunteers.
It took 2 weeks to install with 50 Albany volunteers, a lot connected to the Anzacs, which is pretty fantastic.
This installation has the most amazing energy about it. And what's important is that we remember that on the 1st of November 1914, 30,000 young Australians and New Zealanders left Albany heading towards Egypt and the battlefields of the Great War.
Many never came home. It is an amazing experience. Over 100,000 people have already visited. And if you're not one of them, you should make the trip as well.
It finishes April 28th this year, so it's a must-see if you come to Albany, absolutely.